to another siblings video. Today we're assembling our diamond-shaped backdrop stand. Let's begin.
To start, I'm connecting the leg pieces to the bases. Using the larger short screws, I'm lining up the screw openings and securing the vertical piece in place. I'm repeating the same step for the other side. Once the bases are ready, I'm assembling the smaller inner diamond using the smaller screws. Now I'm putting together the larger outer diamond. Next, I'm attaching the bases to the diamond arch frames using the longer screws and the bolts provided. I'm attaching the larger frame first. Now I'm adding the smaller inner frame. Lastly, I'm going back in and tightening all the screws using the tools provided. Once complete, your diamond-shaped arch is ready to be decorated with florals, draping, or balloons and add a wow factor to your next event.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you stop by our social media pages for more event inspiration and subscribe to see our latest videos. Thank you again and see you next time.